Hello friends, today we see before and after numbers. अगर आपको हमारे वीडियो पसंद आते हैं तो हमें लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना न भूलें, जिससे हमारे हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंचे। First of all we see before numbers. What is the before number of 5? Correct. What is the before number of 3? Correct. What is the before number of 8? Yes, it's correct. What is the before number of 10? Yeah, it's amazing. What is the before number of 4? Yeah, it's correct. What is the before number of 15? Wow, you are genius. What is the before number of 19? Yes, correct. What is the before number of 23? Wow, amazing. What is the before number of 25? Yeah, it's also correct. What is the before number of 30? Yeah, correct. Now we see after numbers. What is the after number of 2? It's correct. What is the after number of 5? Correct. What is the after number of 7? Correct. What is the after number of 12? Yeah, it's also correct. What is the after number of 19?
20.
Correct. What is the after number of 24?
25.
Yeah, it's also correct. What is the after number of 26?
27.
Correct. What is the after number of 32?
33.
Correct. What is the after number of 38?
39.
Yeah, it's correct. What is the after number of 45?
46.
Yeah, it's correct. You are win.